Alright, so for today, let's finalize this, and then we can move on to something more, I guess you could say, more into another topic. We could do something more like AI manager, so we can have like 4 or 5 of these guys, and we can have like specific spots where they just patrol, and if our dude decides to, you know, get caught, then it manages the other AIs to like go into that area and then attack him and all that. So we're gonna do the logic for that later on, or we could do sounds. Either ways. Once we're done with that, then we could finally, I guess, build a game loop. So basically a score meter or something, and then we base it off that. And then after that, probably something like main menu, and then go into a build and a save or something. But until then, let's talk about now. And what we have is, we have our shooter AI, we got our path maker, navigation maker, health bars, detectors, and shooting logic. For the AI shooting logic, I changed the name, so like, you know, the looks cleaner. That's all. That's literally the only reason. But other than that, let's actually fix this up. So what we're gonna do is we are going to set all this up in a nicer fashion and just set up everything that we've created so far. Other than that, we will finalize these things, and then from there we are going to change a few things here and probably add a few more functions into 1 or 2 of these path makers, and then we'll see where to go from there. So in terms of refactoring, we're almost done. Let's just clean up the area, and right, I will do this and come back to you as soon as possible. But first things first, let's just talk about what we're doing. We got our is visible equals to false, and then over here where we have if target is detected inside view, if he is, then is visible equals to true, and else is visible equals to false. Alright, if he's not inside, he's not visible. If he is, done. Deal. Alright, let's check it out, and then let me mute these afterwards. So now we can see that the arrows are actually pointing correctly as they should, but it just looks very, very, well, the vectors are in a subtraction mode, right? So they have a specific, what do we call, size difference. So we could just Control K, Control C, so muted, and then we could just start it. So with the thing starting, let's just let it go. As you can see, because we normalized, or we didn't normalize the vectors, and now it stops in the middle, and then it goes into the option. So we're gonna have to fix that for next time, but the basics have been, what do we call? Oh man, I definitely need to fix it. But the basics have been added, and now our object is definitely moving based on where we have it in the navigation mesh and the AI's logic, and if I shoot it, it's going to attack me and everything. So I would say that was pretty good. Now I'm just going to have to fix this, and I will definitely fix it later. But for now, I think, wait, actually, the perfect fix, but in the meantime we got most of the AI fixed. We got it all, as you can see, componentized, rather composition, rather than having it all inside our AI. So now the AI is only doing one thing. It only needs these things, which we already applied. It only needs these things, which are all calculated. And if we go here, we just have to, in public, or we just have to put all this, and the AI will do it all for itself. Now, what we could do is we could move some of the stuff. We can move some of the stuff out and put it in a manager, and then the manager can deal with all this. But so far, we have decoupled the logic and refactored our AI, making it much, much faster. So I'm going to end it here, and then next week or next time I get the chance, I will definitely add some more stuff. So far, I'm not going to put the dodge, but if I remember correctly, dodge is just a simple function. So if dodging is true, then we can do a dodge distance, meaning how far away he can dodge. And if it's false, we don't. So we can just literally add it here, say dodge, and it's gonna dodge. But for now, I'm not gonna put it in. I'm just gonna leave it as it is, and I will see you guys next time. All right, goodbye.